Good Saturday morning, you guys. Welcome back to Life Adventures in Keto. My name is Michelle. I started my morning this morning out with a coffee and a walk. But before that, let's check my glucose, which is 88, and my ketone level, which is 1.3. So on the website, it tells you how to calculate this yourself. So that's what I did today. Being at home, I have no internet coverage. So 3.75, and that is a moderate state of ketosis. So here is my fluffy coffee, the last scoop of that catching ketones and clear stevia drops. Good morning, you guys. Let's go walking. These birds this morning are super excited. It's beautiful out here this morning. Everybody's outside too. Okay, so I've walked on the shoreline and there's turtles down here and birds, and I don't know how good this camera's picking up, but we're fixing to walk past a turtle. There's duck out there in the middle of the water, so if we don't scare them up, I'm going to get some footage, I think. Okay, we're recording this time. I already talked to y'all for about an hour and I wasn't recording. So you see those natural, looks like a bedding area here for something. This turtle will run back in the water before I get a chance to show you guys. But there's clearly deer prints down through here, a regular trail for animals down through here. There's Mr. Turtle. He's sunbathing. I'll make sure nothing's under this tree before I go under it. I don't see nothing. Here we go. Hey, Mr. Turtle. Oh, I hit my head. He's gonna go back to the water. Sorry, Mr. Turtle. He says, I'm out of here. Out of here. Alright, so. Look at all the birds. What kind of water I got down through here now. Gonna follow the animals' footprints and go over the log. Right, so you can tell that my lane here that I walk on is down here by the lake. I'm being a little selfish this morning for some self-care, some exercise, and leisureness of a Saturday. We slept till 9 a.m. you guys. I had, let's see, 9 hours of sleep last night. It was glorious. But anyway, I'm just walking first thing this morning, and I'll show you guys this next little area, and then I'm gonna power walk back to the house. So I'm a little bit out of breath, only halfway. This is just the halfway point, and then back to the house. And anyway, so I'm gonna turn you guys around, and hopefully we'll get some shots of these birds down here before they fly off. So gotta be quiet, but they always know that they're coming. You see that thing? Oh, it's one of those. Oh, cool. I'm sorry, misters. I'm scaring all the wildlife. I'm so sorry. And then we got a lot of birds over here and turtles on the other bank. Again, I don't know what you can see, but it's beautiful. That's what a fish attractant looks like up close. You guys aren't fishermen. Just little stakes drove in the water. The fish congregate there when the water's up. It's a great fishing spot from the bank. Anyway, I got to go back to the house, so I'm going to power walk my way back to my house. See you guys next clip. Okay, laundry, and I'm going to make some bone broth and chicken broth today. So the chicken broth starts out with this big stock pot, 3 leg quarters with the skin and everything still on it, 1 stick of salted great value sweet cream butter, pepper, a hefty amount, pink Himalayan salt, this is hard to do filming with one hand. I'm not getting out the gimbal. I'm sorry if it's shaky. Yep, 6 quarts of water. And then you put that on the bowl for about 4 hours. Okay, put it on the stovetop for about 4 hours. It doesn't come to a complete boil for probably the first hour. It's a pretty big stock pot. Good morning. You're not going to like this, but it's refill heyday. Hello. How are you this morning? It's refill heyday. Are you going to be nice to me this morning? He likes the cat food. They both love the cat food. So I'm going to let him eat that first, and then I'm going to move his box. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am, you're welcome. So for lunch, I'm going to have 1 ounce of the boar's head chicken breast from Kroger, 1 cup of mixed greens, organic from Kroger as well, 1 tablespoon of olive oil with some seasonings. Also 1/2 of an avocado cut up on top of this. Okay, so it's after lunch. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to make myself a protein shake with the Magic Bullet here. So we're going to start with the liquid first. Here. And just top that off with some water. Put the lid on and blend. Okay, you guys, so I made myself a protein coffee for a pick-me-up in the afternoon here at the house. Practicing to start tomorrow, no spin November. It's really good. You can still taste the protein in it, just like any protein coffee drink that you can purchase does. So I'm going to sip this down and I'm going to continue with my day. I don't want to be low on my protein again. So trying to combat that. Hopefully maybe another little small walk this afternoon as well. So we'll see what we get into. I will bring you dinner when we have it. So here I'm going to be making the white bread chaffles. It calls for 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. And I also am going to be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that well. When the mini dash is heated, the light goes off, so 1/2 of the cheese, 1/2 of the egg mixture, another sprinkle of cheese. It's a 1/2 cup of cheese altogether, which is 1 ounce of cheese. When the light goes out, it is ready to be taken off the griddle. So this is what I'm going to do. And then repeat, cheese, egg mixture, and cheese. Make sure you put these on a cooling rack and do not use with any kind of liquid until they are completely cooled. So here I used 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, 1 cup of chicken, dark meat, and 2 tablespoons of Sugar Baby Ray's. That was dinner. Here's lunch, and then the macros and weight to follow. Keto on and keto strong. See you guys tomorrow.